Good morning. Morning, Predator. We're here. We're here. Do a quick audio check. Seems reasonable. Good morning, Cooper. Good morning, Fast Eddie. Kind of just going to the moon here off CPI news. Just going to the moon there, straight up off the CPI news. What up, Yoma? I'm not muted. Turn on your headphones, Yoma. Oh. What up, Matthew? Morning, John. We'll take a look at the news in a minute. What up, AS? Take a look at the news. Take a look at Mancini's levels. We do still have the data low down there at the 450. We are over 130 points away from that right now, so I don't think that's even in play at this point. Good morning to Swag Cat. So kind of see what happens here at open. Take a look at the news and the Mancini levels in a moment. I'm pretty tired today, guys, so we may just take our funded trades and be on our way. Woke up early. My son had got his car stuck in the mud, so stuck in the mud. So had to go over there and see if we could get him out. Couldn't get him out, and now waiting on a tow truck to come over there and pull him out. He literally just pulled off into the grass at his mom's house. Like, he pulled 40 feet off the driveway into the grass. I have no idea why when he parked yesterday. And it's been raining for 2-3 days, so. Good morning, Lassie. So I almost got him out. Tried, but, you know, it's so slippery. Muddy. Couldn't get him out, so. It is what it is. Yeah, a lot of fun first thing in the morning, right? Good morning, Piggy Bank. Morning, Evelyn. Donovan in the house. Just going straight up here. We're going to need some sort of pullback to give us an opportunity. 606, yeah, we have it marked out. I think previous day high still up there at 649 or somewhere. Yeah, right there. Not yesterday, but maybe Friday. That might be kind of a level. That's an hourly level, I think, 649. So I actually thought we might get there yesterday. Previous day high at 606.75 as well. So we'll see. Got to get Max into the market? Yeah, we need to. Come on, Max, wake up, bud. He's like, I will just chill. You know, Dodsons, they sleep like 20 hours a day. 20 hours a day, I'm with them. Let's sleep. Let's take a nap. All right, let's look at the news. Crude oil, 1030. 1030, crude oil. 11 o'clock, Cleveland CPI. That's not going to do anything. Thomson Reuters, nothing. 1 o'clock, 10-year note auction. Maybe a small spike. Nothing crazy. So not too much news today, to be honest, after the CPI. And let's see what Mancini has to say. This is clean as it gets in the ES as warned all week. Only one level matters, 60.63. The back test of it was today's first target. We hit From there, targets are 74. We're here now, 79.92. And we're at 74. So 79.92 next up. Let runners work. Do nothing. We sell below 60. There you go. Simple. Keep it simple. You want to pull back and pump? Yeah, I would like that too. That's what we need. We need something at open that's going to, you know. Otherwise, we're going to be kind of chilling. See if we just go straight to the moon here, run right through the 606 level. We'll see. I think we're going to have to get back below kind of this 515 area in order to start looking for the data low. 510. So we'll kind of see what happens here at open. Again, we're just, we don't know. We don't know. I'm a little bit tired today, even though I slept pretty good. You guys ever feel that way? Guys, Take Profit Trader is still having the 40% off sale. They are going to reimburse you your upfront cost, the $100 on the 50K once you get your first payout. They still got that going on. We don't know how much longer that's going to last. So if you want to pick up an account there, Take Profit Trader. My Funded Future is also going to be changing their prices into the new year. So Tick Trader still having a decent sale. Bulenox is currently 45% off. I'm hoping a 90% off sale drops today on Bulenox. And APEX still seems to be 50% off, I guess. So dun, dun, dun. Right at R4, 90% retrace from yesterday. Watch for a dump. Yeah, it could be fish lips. It just, to me, I can't short up here, which is too bullish for me to short. I think we still run the 600s, but we'll see. Scamex. I would love to know how many accounts they sold in December. I have no idea. They had that sale at the beginning of December, so that probably pumped the beginning of the month sales up. Remember, they had that 90% off for like the beginning few days of December. I think like 2 days or something. And then, so I don't know. Welch is long from 5 to 8. Oh, man, that's great. That's awesome. I just hold it. 606. So trend line attack the third touch. Yeah, not bad. Little 1 minute trigger here, maybe. So high up. Might work. I mean, it's going to close probably. I'm not even going to give you the entry most likely. Got a free reset from Topstep for the other day. That's crazy, Cooper. Ooh, look at that flash dump right there after that close. I mean, that was a little 8-point flash dump there. ES pushing up off the 74 there. Three-fourths payout changes left for this week. First failed. 3 out of 4. Took over a 1K loss yesterday. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. ES pushing up here 75s. Prices of goods are better than the actual tax on the items. Yeah, it's still active music. Still active, 40% off. The activation fee refunded at the first payout, as far as I know. Good morning, Trader Monk. On Gia, I'm using Quantower. Quantower. There's Maxie getting up, shaking off. Gotta always love the vacation. All right, we got about 3 minutes, a little less than 3 minutes. Let's kind of see what happens. Use Topstep and only I'm thinking to change to another platform. Yeah, you could use Topstep on Quantower if you wanted to. You just got to choose the rhythmic connection. I don't know if you're on Trade of 8 or X. Friday's the last day of the year. Let's go. Yeah, I'm still going to trade mine Lassie, but I will snug up the pickiness come Friday or come Monday. So it will have to be like, the setup would be like, have to be like a V shape, you know, sweep a level, V shape, you know, that sort of thing. That'll probably be what the only thing I look for starting Monday. All right, got less than 2 minutes here until open. Try to be patient. So we'll see if we get a pullback at open. Maybe we can enter on a pullback. Look for a long. We'll see. Need a pullback in order to have that happen. Yeah, Lassie, that's the thing. I mean, there'll still be setups, but they need to be obvious. Need to be obvious. All right, here we go. We got less than a minute. Let's go. Tech T in the house. Good morning. Let's go. Is going to rip it? Is going to dip it? I don't know. It's 50-50 at this point. No guessing. We just wait, see what the market tells us, and then we react. I mean, you think it pushes right into the 606, but it could pull back first, so that's the thing. Let's be patient, see what we get. Oh, I didn't even check to make sure that the copier is working. All right. 555, 500, maybe. Pushing up 590. It's moving so fast. Oh. Yes, back to the 74. Testing the 74 there. Looks like we have equal lows there at 71.25. Uno payout done. Let's go. Yes, ripping right back up here off the bottom. Well, off 72. Not the bottom. All right, there's the push back up. Let's see what happens. Good morning, Jeff. Good morning, Robert. Very interesting. $7.31 open. What up? We're just waiting here, guys. Not anything to do right now. Let's just wait, get something obvious, and kind of go from there. Already just chopping here. Not a good day to full send, I guess, huh? 16, I guess it might have. Depends on your entry. It'll probably blow you on a hedge day anyway. Been getting these kind of opens a lot lately. Based on the 1 second chart, there's all kinds of options. The 1 second chart. Ugh. Looking like the 606 is in play here. A millisecond chart. Goodness, Trav. Get on there. All right. Man, this is going to be interesting because, like, I'm bullish, right? But we got triple equal lows here. We have triple equal lows here. It looks like we're going to run a key area. So if we get a short setup back to here, do we take it? That's the question. There's already a 30-second gap there. It's 7 points. Well, I didn't mean to do that. $6.20 in play here. ES pushing up to the 78, 79 next level up there on the ES. We still have that hourly up there at 648 as well. 630 to 650 resistance. I mean, it makes sense. I thought that we might hit that yesterday and we never did. So probably goes for the 650. Probably goes for the 650. But maybe it comes back and cleans this out first. I don't know. Good morning, DA33. So, man, it's going to be so tough to short this. I don't know, though. Morning, Savaga. I don't know what the play is here. There's the 621. Yes, pushing up here, 78.50, 79 next level up. Yeah, that's true, Lassie. I mean, it does look like it's going to go to 648. I don't think it's going to give us an entry to get there. Oh, the hunger is real. I'm hungry. So ES pushed up there, 78.50, pulling back. 79 first target up on the ES, next target. Long scalp, 12 ticks. You see no short indication as yet. Yeah. The hunger is real. Starving. $5.90 long. If we got down into that area, I'm probably thinking we're going to sweep the 571, but I don't know. Shorted CPI unsuccessfully. Just got back to green. That sucks. A 1 hour gap at 681, Michael. Gotcha. Get an RC and a 3 Musketeers. An RC and a 3 Musketeers. The problem is, if we don't come down here and sweep these triple equal lows, man, I don't know. It's going to be kind of scary to long. But it's also scary to short. You think we want to test VWAP? That wouldn't be a bad idea. All right, this is going to be interesting here. Did we get a short entry here? I don't know. It's kind of scary to short, but... kind of here at the whole number where you get a little trickiness. Whole number in 90. Here's the scalp. Yeah, probably. You know me, I always like the retest of 95 and then a push back up. That's a trade I like a lot. But not taking it here. Ninja laggy. Coper. Hopefully I don't get any lag. We'll see. All right, well, we're just waiting here. It's not much to do unless we're going to be aggressive and we have news at 9:45, do we? I didn't see any. I didn't see any. There she goes. Let me double check. Did I miss something at 9:45? Yeah, I don't see anything. I just see crude oil at 10:30. Scream at me when I take a funded trade. All right. When I take a funded trade. Didn't believe that. BOC rate. Yeah, that's not going to do anything. That's Canadian. Your eyes burn so you can't see the charts properly. Yeah, that's not going to do anything. I don't think. Pushing through the 621s. Let's see. The hunger is real. All right, yes, just tapped the 79 there. Let's see if it continues higher. Next level up there, 92 on the ES. Tap 79 to the tick. Oh my goodness. This is tempting. I do think we go higher, but man, this is so tempting right here. Yoma, I don't know, man. You know how I don't like the internal ones, but this probably works. The draw's higher for sure. That's kind of the problem. I'm gonna pass on it, which means it works. So I'm not taking this, and you know what happens when I don't take them? They bang for like 30 points. So be prepared for this to bang for 38 points here. There's your entry. I'm not taking it. Yeah, Cobb. Are we pushing into the 650? There's maybe a 30-second long there as well, Yoma, but still too high. Could fail. I don't know. Yeah, there's nothing to do there. You wouldn't take it neither because of the time. Yeah. The 30-second does look pretty good, but it is high. It's so high, but it has got a clean break-even spot. I'm not pressing the button, but yeah, that's going to immediately run probably to the 12 points. There's break-even. Yep. There's break-even. And that went right away. Oh, let's go, Matty Matt. Nice. We won't go higher than 650. Yeah, maybe Cobb. I don't know. Good morning, Takamura. And then look, right there's the 12 points. I wanted to take that, but it's so high up. I just decided to pass. Kind of annoyed there. I mean, like, yeah, it's a setup I thought worked, but I just didn't take it. Good morning, Trading Mints. Up, 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 up. Only goes up. Early Santa rally, maybe Trading Mints. I don't know. ES did not make a new high there. ES is lagging behind. All right, here we go. There comes the 48.75. Right there. Oh, you took it, Yoma? Let's go. You took it on one. Nice. NQ first upside target 21674. You took the 15-minute opening range. Yeah, I didn't even look at that. Broke through. Paper hands. I didn't even take it. You see the equal lows below down here. I don't know. That just got me spooked on the longs. I don't know that we go any higher than this, though. CAD cuts 50 basis points. Just going higher without us. That's all right. $6,081 on the ES there. $681, Michael. We'll see. It might. I mean, I could have taken the 30-second long here. I don't know. It's a B setup at best. $6,074. There it is. Tagging. Yeah, nothing wrong with $300, Francis. That's great. You're done 2DA. Let's go. Congrats. Good job. Good job. Still just going up. You're up $63 one micro because the past 2 weeks you traded like shizit. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, Takamura, you be chasing. Exactly, trader on tilt. I mean, it's easy to say just buy every pullback. You know, it's easy to say that, but easy to say. New all-time high, Alexei, probably. Pass some my fan of futures. Let's go. Just follow a tested working system and don't trade bias. True. We got what you meant there, Fred. Dun, 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 dun. Coming into the macro here. We're going to run through the 86 here. All-time high is up there. I don't even know. I have to pull it up. I have to look. Reversal incoming. I don't really know. Feeling like I want a long here, but Also know this is kind of play that'll get wrecked on, so. Yeah, it was kind of a bull flag, but it's just a one candle pullback there. Makes it tough to enter. What's the next step? Yeah, I don't know. You got the long from the start? No, I didn't, CC. I didn't take it. There was a couple opportunities to long. You know, I did not. Your bot just got the long on Sim. I don't know what to do here. Equal low 665. Yeah, I think I got the, or 665. Yeah, I did see that a minute ago. They are right next to each other. That's all-time high there at 706. Yeah, not when they're right next to John. You want to see them like, you want to see it like this, like. You want to see it like this. Right next to each other, not as significant. These down here, you can see like bounce, bounce. You know, you got 3 touches. Looks like it's just going to go here. AQ printed new all-time highs. Not yet. 706. Not yet, but seems likely. Longing all the way up here seems, you know, bad. Even though I think it's going to go to the 706. Bot's up 570. Let's go. Yeah, I mean, this thing's probably going to go to this. I mean, high probability. It's just, you get in here, it could easily dump. So I just have to watch it at this point. Yeah, Takamura, that's what I'm over here telling myself. Like, it's, you just have to kind of watch it unless we get some sort of pullback. Even then. Yeah, nothing wrong with that DA. I think we squeezed Lassie higher. Yeah, Thomas, you can make 1502. It's fine. Up 92 on 1 micro. Let's go. Do we long? What do you guys think? Do we long up this high? I don't know, man. So tricky at all-time highs. You know, everybody's thinking it's going to run into this level, so you know what the market likes to do there. GG, they're 45% off right now. I don't know if they launched a new sell or not. So this would kind of be the long spot if we were going to take it. Oh, yeah, 75%. There you go. I fixed it. So now it's 75%. Can't long for 1 to 2 points. 22,000 before the new year. I don't know, man. It's tough to know. I mean, is it possible? For sure. It is possible. See what I mean? This is what I'm talking about. You get long up here. So we see 22K today. As I mean, Thomas, that's not out. There's 300 points. Not outside the realm of possibility. I think they're 40% off Aaron. I'm not quite sure. You see the ES going to 6,200. Maybe. Thing is, every long has worked, and then watch me take this long and it not work. Yeah, you're short. This is like the thing, like, I don't know. Fourth quarter earnings. Yeah. All right, I might take this 30-second. Let's see. I mean, the problem here is, like, look how close your break even is. 4 points. I do think it's at least a break even trade. I feel like it is. So, Tom Lee predicts 6,300 by end of year. I mean, I wouldn't doubt it. We do have equal highs here, triple equal highs at 96. So I do think this is at least a break-even play. Targeting 21,689. I might jump in here on momentum. I think we at least run through the triple equal highs there. This is not an A setup, but based on the draw and liquidity, it's got a decent chance at working. These triple equal highs here are right next to each other, but still. Equal lows too, where? Are they too far? Well, yeah, I do see them. All right, I'm in. And that's not the reaction we want as soon as we enter. Stop to break even. Go. Did that lose? All right, triple equal highs there. That's one of those ones where, like, you never know. It could rip and go. It didn't. Could have taken 4 points, I guess, but quick long for 10 points. Let's go. Takamura up 1,085, 2 auto trades. Let's go. We'll see, Lassie. That was a fast break-even stop. I mean, like, you expect it to just go, but it didn't, so. still probably going to go, but you can say, well, if you think it's going to go here, why go break even? Well, you don't know, right? You have no idea. You don't know 100% anything. And have you guys ever seen price get this close to the all-time high and then do this? Have you ever seen this before? Whoop. I mean, I've seen that too many times to know that you don't want to be too crazy up here. Because everybody is targeting this. Everybody. Easiest way to wreck people is just to dump it here, 50 points. $6 points. Could have got there. Yeah, me too, Takamori. You never know, right? NVIDIA and the Qs are almost identical. Well, it depends on what chart you're looking at, Lassie. If I zoom out, if I go to the 15-minute all-time highs at 706. If you're on the micro chart, it might be different. You can see that there. So NQZ4, 706. It could be a little different also because of the, you know, the rollover and stuff. But yeah, I got it at 706. Hey, Bass C, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You demand. What up, Zabak, plus a little dough? You don't know, D, right? We don't know. If we, you know, just have no idea. 200 contracts sitting at 700. Woo. That means if there's 200 contracts sitting at 700, in my opinion, you're going to get like, you know, you'll get like a little push into the 700, maybe a pullback and then a big candle up. Or either it'll just push right through. Yeah, Bass, probably correct. Yeah, Lassie, I agree. Like, you need to see a 5-minute, at minimum, a 5-minute inverse, right? To consider a short. Probably even a 15-minute. So, like, the only way I would consider a short is if we closed, like, below this. And I would not just blindly short that. I would look for another short on a lower time frame in this area to go through the 571s and maybe down to the data low. If you wanted to be even more safe about it, you would just go to the 15-minute and do the same thing, you know. We inverse this, then maybe we got the data lows in play there, but until then, I'm not really taking shorts. Tough to, and it's tough to long too. Very tough to long as well. WaySim17, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You demand. 640, 626, 560, 500, yeah. So the rule of thumb for me at the all-time highs is you keep longing until it stops working, right? That's kind of what I do. I think we continue higher. But does that mean there's anything in here for me to long? I don't know. In order for me to take a long, I do need like some sort of a pullback, you know, maybe even down to here. And then see if it goes. I still think it runs through there, but what I think it's going to do and what it actually does, sometimes two different things. So Trev's in. Let's go. Good luck. Rip it through there then for Trev. Let's go. Little big candle through into the 715s, 712s. There we go. There's a big candle, 709. If it holds above 700 here, I think it's got a pretty good shot at just continuing higher. Might could retest the 95s and then go, but let's see. So there's all-time high, 710 target. What'd you get there? 708.50? We were taught to trade pullbacks in a stage 2 market and sell rips in a stage 4. Don't know what changed. I don't know. I don't know. You're late to the party. What do you miss? Nothing, Clarity. We took one trade, break even. It's fine. The market went up without us. We sat here and watched. I mean, a couple of opportunities long, we passed up on them, and then I took the one that probably was the lowest probability, to be honest. The first two that I skipped were probably higher probability. What soda helps diarrhea? Soda that helps diarrhea. How about root beer? I don't know. I have no clue. How about some Pepsid or some hold on. Pepto-Bismol. Nausea, heartburn, upset stomach, diarrhea, something like that. Ginger ale. Oh yeah, Trev, you took half off. Yeah, it's gonna get there. There it is, 14s. It's gonna get there. It's gonna get there. You're long and break even. Let's go. Look at this thing rip. I mean, again, the ES has higher targets as well. Did the ES make all-time high here? I think it did. Let me see. Yeah, no, the ES did not. In order for ES to make all-time high, it needs to get to 6111. So still room on the ES for all-time highs. Boom, 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 boom. Activated charcoal helps. Oh. Usually I just sit on the toilet until it ends. You know what I mean? Anybody else do that? Just sit on the toilet and hold your belly until it ends. Hold your bell. Next level up, 6092 on the ES, currently at 6086. The splash, though. Could be 6092's next up. Their DA. That's Mancini's next up level, so somewhere in that area. Yeah. We'll see. Pulling back here a little bit. Small one. Anybody just longing every red candle? Long. Hard to do much here. How's everybody else doing trading this? Bullish diarrhea is correct. Nutty's 3-minute trade probably paid today, huh? Looks like he's small green. I guess he didn't take the 3-minute trade. Let's give Nutty a little like. You're in, Trev. Red, green. Nathaniel, I'm with you. No trade yet. Trader Monk's probably the best thing. Nothing wrong with that music. That's the best thing to do. Walking away when you're green. Nothing wrong with that at all. Let's check on Yoma. I know he took the one $200 trade. Is Yoma live? You're up 25 off 2 shorts. There's really a futures prop firm community online, but broken down in 3-part groups of YouTubers. Is there? We're just waiting. I did have a good day yesterday on my Funded Futures eval. I ended up over $1,100. You can see we're up $10 today on it. So $1,161 we ended up. I think I ended the stream up $600. I took that really nice. Anybody else take this yesterday? Right here. Look at that. Look at the executions. We just followed it up. Doo -doo 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 -doo. Correction, 3 shorts. Waiting for ES to hit your next supply zone at 6095. It's at a 6089 now. 95 is completely reasonable, I think. As soon as I long, it just dumps. Can't do it. I don't know if I should even just switch on over to an eval and just get off the funded altogether. I'm not sure. I don't know. Tough to see here. We'll see if we get any other opportunities, Yolma. You're short at 16. Get through this pivot, you might retest 95. But we'll see. Pull back into the 9 there. Do I long? Tref's long. Yeah, I mean, I'd like to get long here, but it's like, would I be mad if this lost is the question I have to ask myself. And the answer is yes. Right? Well, that would be your trigger here once this candle closes. You stop and go at the body, and then your break-even stop would be at the body of this candle. So it'd be a 10-point stop, 11-point stop. You go to break-even here. Watch it work now that I didn't take it. We're looking for 12 points. Let's see if we would have got it. I mean, look how easy that would have been. And one tick away from the target there. And there's the target. But we didn't take it. Steamroller of a day. D, you got short, D? Oh, you're not trading funded yet. Yeah, I took one trade. Secure your payout on the funded. It's past tick yesterday, but I'm still waiting for the account. Let's go, Mad Moxie. Yeah, but walk away. What up, King Kong? Caught a little W. Nice. Yeah, shorts everybody keeps shorting. It's just going to continue to rip this thing higher. Now, eventually, it'll probably take the elevator. So, yeah, Lassie, I'm trying to be patient. There's a lot of days where I'm not. But maybe we get a initial balance play or something today. It is weird that you got all these equal lows sitting down here at this initial balance low. You know, you call these plays out and they work, and then the one you take won't work. This is a pretty good candle. This is a good candle. There's a 30-second trigger, but like I said, I'm not going to take it. You on Sim over there, Yoma? All right. Pulling back here, 85s in the ES. If we lose this pivot there at 710s, probably see that 695 area tested. Maybe even the 80 area. We'll see. At what point do you just try along? I don't know. Just going to keep waiting, I guess, until something. That's the thing. Like, you can try to manufacture a trade here and take a loss and feel bad about it, or you can just wait for something to be obvious. So it makes it kind of tough there. Testing the 07s. I don't know. Man, it's so tough to short here. Tough to short. Yeah, I see the 30-second. Yeah, A+ only. Probably not going to happen today, Bass. I mean, there is a 30-second long here. We did sweep liquidity. We are delivering from a fair value gap, but we're awfully high in the leg. Left a month-size gap on the way up. Yeah. Crude oil, yeah. Initial balance in 11 minutes, too. The thing is like, I don't know. Not a lot of momentum here either. Do we take this or not? I mean, if we took this and it lost, I would not be happy. You're waiting for a decent pullback to find your long. Yeah, it kind of makes sense, right? Lassie's from... I don't remember. He's told me before, but I don't remember. It's right on top of it again. NVIDIA's on the VWAP. She'll break here. I don't know, Trev. I don't know. Does it? I mean, we could take the elevator down here decently. Maybe it's, you know. He's from Finland, Yoma. Yeah, electronic. It's pretty bullish for sure. You know, I'm gonna draw it out for you guys what I'm waiting for. Even if it dumps, I'm not gonna participate. I want to see a V shape off a level. I mean, like, this would be the cleanest thing ever. Pull back into a level. Let's get a V shape off of it for a long, you know. I don't know. Trading for Sydney, Australia at 2:21 a.m. Baz. Oh man, that's tough. That's tough. I've done it before, Baz. It accounts for 8% of the queue, so she's at least, yeah. Like I said, I don't doubt shorts are in, you know, that we got shorts in play here, that it may rip lower, but I'm just going to watch. And I'm just going to put a couple of lines on the chart here at OT. So 35's OTE, 53's is equilibrium. You would be scared to short this. That's why I'm waiting, Trev. I'm waiting. What up? Alexi's from Melbourne. Melbourne. Is it 2 o'clock in the morning there as well, Alexi? Yeah, I have no idea. Yeah, Bass, I stream every day, 9:15 a.m. Eastern. Sometimes we hit the Asia, sometimes we hit the London. Just depends. Still 223 for Lexi as well. Dang. So I'm waiting. I want to see if we get some sort of push down. If we get a clean inverse out of one of these areas, we'll try to take it. But if it doesn't happen before, let's say, 11 a.m., then we're not going to worry about it. We'll probably just switch off the fundeds. 10:24 p.m. here, perfect, because I can stop by 11:30 p.m. Yeah, that's good, D. I think D's in Japan, right? Where are you at, D? No, you're in Thailand, aren't you? You're in Thailand. We're already in the happy tomorrow. Yeah, I'd be in 6 minutes. That's kind of what I'm waiting on. Thailand. Every time I hear Thailand, I think of that scene with Alan in The Hangover. Thailand, where he calls it Thailand over and over, and he has the card in Thailand. It's Thursday here. Man, already Thursday. I mean, if anybody's trading the whole do we get a little break? Probably not. Looks like a long. Looks like a long. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, Trev. Kind of looking like a long. If we pop the 10s again. You might try to reverse trade right before this data to pass an eval. No, there's not going to be any move accrued. What up, Bashar? Don't long. Yeah, you're probably right. I do think it still could go up, but who knows? The idea, Bashar, that I really have is I want to see a pullback into this area. I do think if we pop this pivot here, we could make a new high. Let's see if it can do it. Yeah, if you're break even, no big deal, Trev, right? You just let it do what it do. All right, I would probably expect some expansion here. See if we get it. Nope. Yeah, that's what I do, Trev. I usually go 1 tick or 2 ticks into the green. Oh, man. Do I take this short? So scary. That's your entry short if you're going to take it. You're going to have problems in the 90s here. This is why I would take this if we were not in this exact area. If we were not in this exact area, I'd take it. I would kind of expect something like that. Just because you're not going to break through 90, in my opinion, on this first push. It's not going to hold through 90. I don't think it just dumps through 90. I think we might wick below it and then push back up, retest that trend, and then go. So I would really expect to push back into the 710 area here. Let's see. Now, of course, the one time I don't take it, it might just rip through there. Let's see what we get. We already broke through the 90, so no. You didn't miss anything there, Yoma. Now it's at the 21 SEMA. I always like to see a bounce back above the whole number once we get a pushback below, but we did already get that actually. Did get that there. So that actually might be, yeah, it's probably weak there, and that's probably why. We already actually got the bounce back above. I didn't even really pay attention to that. I still think we retest that trend line. So hard to long up here, Yoma. I don't hate it, but like I don't love it. I think it's more likely that this holds. I think it's more likely that this holds. Already at break even, Trev. I actually kind of like the short here, but man, I'm gonna take this only. I'm gonna turn the copier off. So this is gonna be an eval only for me. I'm turning the copier off. I just don't. I don't know. I don't trust it. So I'll jump in here. Eval only. If it closes above, then obviously that's a bad sign. Yeah, that's why I switched to an eval. If we can get back kind of below the whole number here, we'll see. See what happens. See what happens. Back to the whole number here. My instinct says to kill this, but I'm going to give it a chance. So we're going to eat that loss there. What did we lose there? Down $300. What up, Live Prop Firm? Womp, womp, womp. Well, the long did work. Took a little heat, 9 points, but it worked. All right, initial balance is set here. So initial balance is set. Let's kind of watching here, guys. Not much to do. Again, that was an eval play only there. Down $300 on that eval. Just knew that wasn't high probability, so. Not high probability. Here's the thing. You're going to keep getting shorts. They're going to keep getting wrecked. And then eventually they're going to, you know, they're going to get wrecked. Or they'll work out. Yeah, it is a lower high baz so far. I have no idea as far as next week. We'll see when it comes, I guess. This is just not, there's nothing to do here, guys. I mean, this is very, very tough to do anything here. I mean, really should probably just be looking for longs, to be honest, but tough to really do anything here. It really is. It's not going to be anything high probability. In my opinion. You need some energy. You the man. Let's go. Give it some energy. Reversal for you at 91. Just kind of waiting. I mean, it's not much to do. It's just kind of an annoyance, really, to be honest. 728 to be exact. Look for a pop. Yeah, volume died. It's 10 minutes to the macro. ES is kind of curling back up. Where'd IBH? Kind of get a little wedge. Yeah, it's very dry. Man, I kind of want to stab long here. I'm not. This, man. All right, eval only, I think I will. Let's see. Eval only, I'm going to stab long. Just kind of getting tighter and tighter there. A little bit of a breakout needed to happen. ES moving higher already, so I thought that might come. All right, I'm going to go break even. Come on. We tried it. Wait, I think it's all right. I think it was okay there. Kind of got a little, a little, a little flag, a little breakout. We made the high, so I wasn't going to give it too much room. Starter, and when I'm green, I'll add, move back to break even. Nothing wrong with that. Boom, 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 boom. Why are y'all trying to trade this? We're not. This is an eval, Bashar. It's an eval. Bashar, if I'm looking for a funded play, then I'm looking for something like this. I want to see, a V-shape type reversal somewhere in here. But otherwise, this is just an eval. That's all I'm doing. We've taken 3 trades. Nothing crazy. 1 loser, 2 break-evens. So... eval it is. Thanks, Bashar. What up, Trader Oracle? How you doing? Oracle, I heard you're not trading this month. Is that true? I think someone told me that. Probably a smart man for doing that. Now the short's kind of coming, huh? Just have to wait. Bounce at 690. I think we need deeper than that. Could bounce there, but I still think we need deeper. $153 viewers and 40 likes. Come on, boys. Hit that like button. Oracle in the house. Laying down the law. And also subscribe if you're not subscribed. We appreciate you. Yeah, nothing wrong with that, Tech T. You're plus 175. If I was plus 175, it'd be shutting it down too. It might, Bashar. Good bounce there off the 97s, though. Good call. Yeah, Bass, I kind of agree with you. Boom, boom, boom. Once again, pushing higher. Well, are we just going to rip higher from here? It appears to be. Your cancer's getting significantly worse. I'll put them back up soon. Oh, that sucks, Oracle. Hate to hear that. All right, let's see here. Kind of a long here. Goodness. I don't know. It's just not deep enough for me. You're in now? Yeah, Oracle, we hope you get better, bud. We hate to hear that. Going long for Oracle. I don't know if Bashar, I don't know if he wants you to go long. Oh. Another $5 trade. Hey, at least it wasn't a loss. You exited as soon as you entered? Yeah. I mean, it's just like, it's a tough spot. Like, we're almost at the time of day where I'm just going to, like I said, just put away the fundeds. If we don't get anything here soon, that's clear and obvious. Let's see kind of what happens here. Kind of ranging already. So, like, looking for inverses here, I don't think makes that much sense. I mean, because, like, this is when inverses get wrecked, right? Because you're taking entries at the highs and the lows of the range. So it's better to wait for some displacement and then look for something. That's what we're going to wait for. No, I didn't lose money, Winter Circle. I'm down 300 on an eval. I think, what, 330 on an eval. The other accounts are break even plus $10, $20, whatever. We really, I mean, really, if I'm being honest, if I'm looking for a long, I have to have this. There's no reason to get FOMO here. We need this, and it needs to happen before 11:10. Otherwise, I think that it just doesn't make sense to take any more trades until after lunch. And I don't typically trade my fundeds after lunch, so. He was able to pull 1,500 on a Topstep X with the longs. Let's go. Nice job. The Dory fish pattern. I don't know what that is. I know who Dory. I think, is that Dory? Is that a fish? Dory. So, yeah, that's what I'm thinking, Rob. I mean, there's no need. Like, I don't mind taking a trade here or there on an eval, but there's no need to force anything here. No need to force. Sometimes I do, but electronics not all that often. Today I have to pick my kids up at 2:30, so probably not. I usually jump on Husk stream in the power hour and make comments in there. I take trades on my eval, and I'll say, I'm long, that kind of thing. So, yeah, that's kind of what I traded earlier. I just call it like a little flag or a wedge. I took a long here off this. Again, it's not perfect, but a long there. Looking for the high. Didn't get it. It's an extended Tom Sabo box. That's right. Dory from Nemo, yeah, probably. Let's see what happens. Just chopping after this big move up. Just kind of chopping. You mix tuna with oatmeal and barbecue sauce? Ugh. Oracle, if you're still in here, have you ever tried tuna with your oatmeal? Oracle likes some oatmeal. That'd be nasty. To me, it's nasty. But if it's good to you, it's fine. What the legitimate... Yeah. You like sauerkraut oatmeal? Yeah, I think Winter Circle's playing, but still. Yeah, Lassie, I think that's a good short, too. A break of the 50s. First time we broke the 50 since we went up here. So I do think if we get through the 90 here, I do think a push lower is in order. But I'm just going to wait. I'm just going to wait. Rat Lord is short, so let's push it down for Rat Lord. He took the short at the whole number there, 700. You'd rather jam a pencil up your urethra and put some tuna, oh no, than put tuna in your oatmeal? Nice. All right, if we can get through this 90 here, get through this double bottom, I think that 650s would work. Come on, let's get through there. Get through this little double bottom here. Let's see here. You're living in Rotterdam? No. Yeah, it should go. $6.55. Let's see. Can we rip lower here? $6.65 may see some resistance. Yeah, we'll see. Just looks like support resistance structures like an old man. We did sweep some liquidity there. We did leave a 1 minute gap. Holding up here at the 80. Man, I really thought we'd move quickly through the 83s there. I thought we'd get a little elevator. Well, let's see how. You're long as 2 micro. Let's go. I hope it works out for you. I don't think it will, but good luck. I don't know. I have no idea. I'm an idiot. You actually listen to Topstep CV more than I tune in with you or anyone else for futures trading. Does that make you mad? No. Why do I care? Watch what you want, Winter Circle. I don't care. Fade them, follow them. It doesn't matter to me. You come in and support the channel when you feel like it, and that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that, brother. Do what you like. So, you watch more porn than I do your channel. Hopefully that's okay. Yeah, that's fine, Oracle. It's fine. Oracle, but you didn't say what kind of porn it was. $15. Oh, let me see. Pulling back here. We're just going to wait, guys. I'm not going to jump in here. Rodrigo. Oh, my goodness. I knew it was coming. From somewhere. All right, let's see what's going on. Yeah, I don't see it. I don't see that. Bulenox deal for a $10,000 account for $15. Retest of the 83 there. You listen to classic romance comedy? Ooh, I like it. More of a podcast, yeah. You like to watch your mom from her living room windows and not my mom. Does that make me mad? You guys are clowning. Oh. It's fine. Watch whatever you like, man. Watch what you like. I mean, I do think this looks like an okay short zone. Like, we did shift structure here. But, you know, I don't blindly short these fair value gaps anymore. I've done that before, but it does not work as well. Maybe we'll do this. Maybe we get this. Maybe we push back up, and then we get something here. But, man, it's still so tough to do it. So tough to do it. You degenerated my channel to this level. It happens quickly, Oracle. We have girl in Finland, guys. You have girls in Finland? Oh, just a general joke. Oh, okay, I got you. Yeah, I agree with you there. The 700 level would kind of be, yeah, I agree. I mean, the thing is, we just didn't quite pull back far enough. I mean, like, there's a couple of different ways you can measure. I'm measuring the entire zone. I suppose you can measure from here. And in that case, we pulled back far enough for a long. But that's kind of seeing what you want to see and not seeing what actually is going on. So it's more likely that this holds, and then maybe we can get a short out of this. I don't know. Still kind of scary. You love a divergence, yeah. Yeah, Lassie, that's the problem. That's why it's like, I mean, even if I get this, right? Even if we get this little 1 minute here to the downside, it's still scary. Very scary. You would be delivering from a fair value gap. You didn't really sweep liquidity. We are at premium of the entire range. Theoretically speaking, this should work. It should be a good setup. But do we turn the copier? Is this good enough to take on our funded? That's the question I have to ask myself. Is this good enough to take on our funded if this triggers? Would I be upset? I mean, here's the thing. We are in the macro. Trying to think about this out loud. Good morning, Outer CT. Technically, this is not bad. A push up, that now gives you a sweep of liquidity, right? Push up from there, and then you get kind of a death candle out of that. Close somewhere down here real heavy. I think it depends on what the candle looks like here on the way down. Obviously, if we close above, that's no good. But if we just kind of soup this swing here and then we get a nice death candle, then I will take that on my fundeds. Otherwise, I'm not going to. And, you know, we do kind of have some generated liquidity here too. It's not perfect. We are in the macro. We are too high. I don't know, man. It's such a tricky spot. Yoma, I think the long looks okay, and it probably works based on today's bullishness. But that was a shitty close right there. A very shitty close. You'd be longing into the pivot. I'm more leaning towards a death candle through this. If we get a death candle through this, then I think that might make a little more sense. But I don't know that that happens. We're very bullish. So it's very, very, you can make a case for both sides here, and that's the problem. I mean, the long does have a clear break even. 7 points up. You would be breaking this pivot if it closed above. So there's your close. I think I'm going to skip it, but I don't think it's horrible. Momentum's not great right here, but we are at a pivot. That momentum back up is pretty decent. So how do you bet tags on your chart with Quantower? What do you mean tags? Like seeing my entries and exits? Is that what you mean? What tags are you talking about, Bob? It's in the middle of the downtrend range. Yes, I agree. Buy and sell. Yeah, you just go. Are you talking about seeing my entries? Because you go visual trading, trades, and then turn your show trades on. Or if you're talking about these, I just set up a template and then a bull gap and a bear gap. So I'm not quite sure which one you're talking about. So you see it closed above, but then it's just holding up. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, Trev. We'll see what happens here. Yeah, Mints, this is not the momentum you want to see if you're in a long, but does that mean it's going to fail? No, it doesn't mean it's going to fail. It just means that the momentum's slowing. Stop to break even would be right there at 715. You know there's going to be a little resistance there. So there's your stop to break even. Let's see what the result would have been. And we would have been looking for 12 points, so 720.75. And this is going to be like the fourth or fifth trade that we didn't take that would have probably worked out. There it is. So there you go. I mean, this is what we're looking for, this type of play, but we need it to be down here. We just need it to be down there. I'm trying to be, yes, we're in the macro, right? And if you're truly bullish, you should retake out this high. But I'm just trying to be reasonable here and not take something that's in premium, right? That's all I'm doing. So you're in for the both of us. Let's go. Yeah, that's what I usually do, Lassie, is I just take longs until they fail. I don't really look for the shorts. So let's go, D. Nice job. But the problem with it is, you know, you're not always going to get the setup you want. Now, again, like I said, if you measure this leg kind of from this swing up, then technically we're in OT of this leg, right? This swing made a new high, this swing made a new high, this swing made a new high. You could measure from those, but I like to measure the entire range from opening. That's my ideal, you know. That's what I look for ideally. But Yoma, did you take that? I wasn't going to. I don't know. I was 50-50 on it. It's one of those things, just trying to. I like the short better, but we just didn't get it. On 2 accounts, nice. Yeah, it's very, very slow, but, you know, coming into a pivot, you kind of expect that, right? Do kind of expect that, but used in half. $20 too. Annoyance. Yoma, I don't know. The short is so scary. We did not displace above these highs very much. We do have a bearish SMT with the ES right now. 2 payouts secured, 2 accounts red, traded 6 accounts more in good greens. Let's go. Nice job. You just longed outer. I don't hate the long here. I really don't. There's a 30-second re-entry here, maybe. I don't know, man. 30-second re-entry. Let's see. Every freaking long is paid that I've not taken. Yeah, I don't know. Not a lot of momentum here. I might take this one. I don't know. We might. And it's invalid. Invalidation. Invalidation. Yes, not near the high here. It's probably, what, 4 points off the high. I don't know. Do we break out of IBH here? I'm not sure. Does she go? All right, let's see what happens. It's like, do you take an initial balance breakout at all-time highs? Feels a little iffy. Feels a little wrong. I don't know. All right, Lassie, appreciate you. If she comes back up here, U-shape or whatever, she'll break out. I was kind of thinking that, Trev. I was wanting to long down there off the 25 area, but I'll just put a tight stop in for the breakout. I don't know. Yeah, Baz, that's my problem here. On an eval, I don't mind doing it, but on my fundeds, it's gets a little sketchy. I do like the distance that we have between the highs on the ES there. I think there is a decent chance that we've popped this. We pop above, we get a big candle. Yeah, like that. So to see what we think, do we want to take an initial balance play here or not? Yeah, you got a buy limit at IBH. I mean, I think a push through into the 50s maybe makes sense, but I want to see a pretty heavy candle here close. That's not, I mean, it's okay. 5 points up. Am I going to be mad if this loses? Is the question. All right, I'm going to try it. All right, we're in. Come on, push on up. I'm going break even now. I don't, yeah. I was like, I just don't want it to come back there. It probably goes. I moved that to break even too fast. I was trying to wait for 42.50 to go break even. Just usually when you take these trades, you want to see that bounce be immediate. And when it's not, it becomes troublesome. I mean, I did like where my stop was. Thought it was reasonable. It's under the 21 there. Yeah, I was long there, Coper. I actually think it might work. If it gets back above initial balance here, I think we rip. You're long gold, 26.97. Let's go. Hopefully it pushes for you there. Yeah, I just when I take these initial balance plays, I've noticed that they work the best when they just bounce right away. When they pull back, you never know. So now I do think this thing goes. If it gets back above there and starts ripping. Kind of a tricky spot there. Again, I don't mind it, but I'm going to get back in here on just an eval. Basically same spot. $27.19. That's a pretty big move. We'll see. So just eval play only here. The one before I did take it on all the fundeds, but this one I'm back in just on the eval. Probably get stopped, it looks like. Need a very bullish reaction right now. Get back to my entry here. I may just take this off. I wanted it to go earlier, and it just hasn't gone. We'll give it a chance to go, but all right, it's taking it off break even. Probably goes now, but you know, I mean, what can you do? Hold longer? Yeah, probably, but still. Okay. You're taking a break. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. What up, Mike? Do I remember Mike Mincer? Or do I know you from Mike? From the stream? I don't know. Mike's my long lost cousin. What's up, Mike? I haven't seen you in years. Of course, Mike. I remember everybody. Sure. I remember everybody. If we lose the 21 here, Mike, the 9 and the 21, we could be looking for a little death candle. I try to remember everybody. Have you been gone that long, Mike? I don't know. Has it been that long? I don't think it's been that long, has it? I mean, like, we got what I was looking for, just not low enough, right? just did not come. It just didn't get low enough. The entry, I mean, like, this was the entry down here. I should have, I don't know. In hindsight, it's easy to say you should have taken it. Nah, no full port today, Owlboy. So, London session keeps it high. I don't know. Maybe. I mean, I do think we're consolidating for another move up. I don't think today is a down day. Oh, Mike probably scalps Nasdaq for sure. Feels good. Let's go, Maswell. Nice job. Your biggest W day. I like it. I mean, this thing's going to do something here. It's, you know, it's getting tighter and tighter, as Patrick likes to say. It's going to do something. We just don't know what. I mean, it looks like it's, you know, looks like it still wants to go up, but just chopping at the initial balance high here. Just choppy. We did take some big W's on our funded accounts today. Big W's. After fees, $10.64. I don't even think we can go to McDonald's. Can we even go to McDonald's for $10 anymore? Can you? Now, on the Apex accounts, we did a little better, guys. $12.04. Think we can get it done. $12.04 at the McDonald's. Now, that is across 20 accounts, 19, but still. How did the copier do today? Did it have any slippage? 2 break-even trades there where I put the stop a little higher, but there's the breakout. So would our stop have ever been hit here? It would not. Now, would we have gotten our 10 points yet? Nope. $12.04. Current balances are in the $400 range. I like that. I mean, we're, you know, I feel better about the $400 range because, like, you know, we were hanging out in the red for a long, long time. So, being in the green, you got to take it. We can get a cup of coffee for that. Let's go. Just eat the sauces. I can buy a small fry. Yeah, green is green. Yeah, they did have a dollar menu. I don't know why they did away with that. I kind of like the McChicken sandwich, even though it's probably not real McChicken. It's probably not real chicken. I don't know if it is or if it isn't. You're beating me, Owlboy. You're up $13.44. Let's go. You the man. We're doing okay, R. Crawford. We're doing all right here. We're break even, basically. Red on 1 eval. So the initial balance play would have worked, but, like, what can you do? That would have worked, but I mean, you'd had to hold it through all that BS and trusting it. I didn't trust it. So we're down $3.30 on one account, and we're up $12 times 20. Let's see if we're actually green. Hold on. Are we actually green? Nope. That puts us at negative $90. Negative $90. R. Crawford, are you having a good day? ES is approaching that 92, guys, that Mancini called out there. And there it, one more tick. One more tick for Mancini's next level. $92 tagged. You're up 315 trying to pass your Bully. Let's go, Baz. Yeah, let's see what happens here. Pushing up their 750s. I mean, do we hit the 800? Somebody called out the 22Ks. Do we get to the 22K today? Probably not, but maybe. You never know, right? Nasdaq does crazy things. It's only 250 points. Can it go 250 points higher? Sure, why not? Feels bad because every long that I've not taken today has worked. Every one that I've not taken. So, really the only loser that we took today is this, we shorted this fair value gap, which we never do. We shorted that on an eval only. And that's really the only loss. Everything else has just been break even. Break even. Break even. You have paid sub for ES. How do I get for NQM levels? For Mancini levels, he doesn't have them for NQ. Vern, you just have to kind of put them up there together. So as we're approaching a level, a key level, do you really want to be shorting or longing into that level? No. Thank you, Baz. Appreciate you. Or Bashar. Yeah, I knew it was that. I took it off. 6095. Yeah, it's approaching 6093 right now. So we're just continuing to grind higher here. You're up 220 trading minutes. Let's go. Nice little base hit. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, CC, if those things work for you, I think that's perfect. I don't use those things, but that doesn't mean they're bad. It just means that it's not something that works for me, or I haven't used that, right? But yeah, if you use those things and it worked for you, anything that you find value in, I think if, you know, even if someone else says it's stupid, let's just give you an example. Let's just say Bookmap. A lot of people say Bookmap is, you know, spoofed orders, doesn't make sense, doesn't give value. But like, if you find value in something yourself, then that's all that matters. So just because it's not valuable to someone else, or someone else isn't using it, you know, doesn't mean you shouldn't use it. Your next target, 21771. Let's go. I might take an aggressive long here if ES retests the 90. Yeah, I closed 11:30 Winter Circle, so it just closed. I might just long here on an eval and put my stop at like 49 and see how far it can go. What do you guys think? Well, maybe wait for a pullback into the 20. Let's see. Yeah, FOMO Tech T, exactly. It's FOMO, but it's an eval, so I don't mind it. Fear o' missing out. FOMO. Doesn't mean it won't work. Just along the highs. Nothing wrong with that. See, I said wait till the 21 pullback, and then I didn't wait. I'm going to average in here at the 9. What up, Dave C? How you doing? Dave, I haven't taken too many longs. They've been break evens pretty much. Buy high, sell low, Rainier. That's my plan. You know, as soon as I buy the high, that's what would happen. We're getting closer. They could trade her on tilt, but they didn't. Locked yourself out. Let's go, Dave. Nothing wrong with that. I think that's good. It's a good idea. I'm on an eval here, but we're already down 330 going into this trade, so it might not end well for us. If we can hold the 9, it might be all right. Smash the like button. I don't know about that. You don't own a cat. Oh. All right, I'm moving the stops up to here now. Makes a new low. I don't really want any part of it. Needs to go now. Probably still get stopped. But let's see. You the man, Rainier. You the man. That's how you get a winning trade, boys and girls. Get out while you can. When you buy the top, you get out while you can. Probably goes without me now, but that's okay. That's okay. Down 270 on that account now. ES making new highs here. About get above 92 now. It's just going to moonshot. It's just going to moonshot now. Rude. Why didn't you guys tell me to hold that? You didn't tell me fast enough. It didn't go fast enough. Yeah, I was thinking of a pullback into the 9 there. I didn't wait for it. The FOMO. Very bad, Chad. Very bad. Bad luck. Boom, 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 boom. I could change it over to the micros on this eval, but you know, what fun is that? What fun is that? All right, guys, I do think I'm just going to go ahead and lock it up there. Otherwise, I'm going to be taking stupid trades. I think we're in the time of day where I'm not going to be successful trading, you know, at this time of day. So if you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. If you want to support the channel, again, Take Profit Trader still having the really good 40% off sale. $102 for the 50K eval. You get the $102 back at your first payout. My Funded Futures, I think, is still 5 or 10% off. Apex 50% off. Bulenox 75% off. I think Tick is still 40% off. So use my codes for any of those. I might have forgot one. I don't know. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. I may go live for the power hour. It depends on what time I get home. So I doubt it, but we'll see. But either way, stay safe. If you're green, lock it up. Appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you next time.